If you're getting an ElevenLabs error, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through 3 simple fixes that solve the most common issues fast. Whether the site is not loading properly, your generations are failing, or you're seeing strange account problems, these steps can help get everything working again. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick software fixes just like this. First, let's clear your browser data for ElevenLabs. This is one of the most effective fixes because old cookies and cached files can cause login problems, loading errors, or broken features. Open your browser and go to elevenlabs.io. Then click the 3 dots or more icon in the top right corner of your browser. From the menu, find the option for deleting browsing data or clear browsing data. When that window opens, make sure you're removing the right data, especially cookies and cached images and files. If your browser lets you choose a time range, it's usually best to clear all time, so everything related to the site is removed. Then click Delete Data or Clear Data and wait for the process to finish. After that, reload ElevenLabs and try again. If the error is still showing, the next thing to check is your VPN. ElevenLabs can sometimes flag accounts or restrict access if it detects an active VPN, especially if your IP address changes too quickly or appears to be coming from unusual locations. If you're using a VPN, turn it off completely, then refresh the page and sign in again. If you are switching servers or locations often, that can sometimes trigger access issues, so using your normal connection is the safer option while testing. Once the VPN is disabled, try generating it again and see if the issue is gone. Now for the third fix, check your credits or character quota. A lot of ElevenLabs errors happen simply because the account has used up its subscription limit. If your character quota is exhausted, text-to-speech generations may fail, even though everything else looks normal. To check this, open your ElevenLabs dashboard and look for your subscription plan, usage meter, or credit balance. Make sure you still have available characters left for the month. If you've hit the limit, that's likely the reason the generation is failing. In that case, you may need to wait for your quota to reset, upgrade your plan, or reduce the amount of text you're trying to generate. So to quickly recap, if you see an ElevenLabs error, first clear your browser cookies and cache for the site, then disable your VPN, and finally check whether your credits or character quota have run out. In most cases, one of these 3 fixes will solve the problem and get you back to generating audio normally. If this video helped, please like the video and subscribe for more easy troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.